Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you some truly incredible transformations, turning ordinary, often overlooked items into powerful, versatile tools for your everyday needs. I'm starting with these small eye hooks and a common phone charger. My goal is to repurpose these items to create something far more useful than their original functions. I'll carefully use a utility knife to pry open the charger case along its seam. This gives me access to the internal components. Once it's open, I'll remove the circuit board, as I only need the empty plastic housing for my project. Now, I'm going to use a drill to make a new hole on the side of the charging case. Next, I'm taking a piece of red electrical wire. I'll strip one end to expose the copper strands. Then I'll secure the end of the wire with the eye hook, ensuring a firm connection, and wrap it around several times. This is crucial for making good electrical contact. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To further secure the wire and provide insulation, I'll wrap a small piece of white tissue tightly around the base of the eye hook and the attached wire. This also helps to prevent any short circuits once it's inside the casing. With the wire and eye hook prepared, I'll now carefully insert the eye hook assembly into the drilled hole in the charger case. Next, I'll use super glue to firmly secure the tissue paper around the base of the hanger inside the case. I'll then use hot glue to fill the inside of the charging case to permanently fix it in place before closing the case. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. At the other end of the red string, I will attach an orange alligator clip. After stripping the wire, I'll crimp it firmly into the clamp. This will be the positive connection for our new multi-tool. Now, I'm taking a small bolt, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. I'll thread the bolt through the eye hook on the charger casing and secure it tightly with the washers and nut using a screwdriver. This creates a secure and conductive attachment point. To enhance connectivity and provide a versatile attachment point, I'm adding a small brass terminal block to the end of the bolt. I'll tighten its screws to ensure excellent electrical contact. I'm taking an old battery and using pliers to carefully remove its metal casing and extract the internal carbon rod. This rod is key to our project due to its conductive properties. Then, I'll thoroughly clean it with a piece of tissue. Now, to prepare the carbon rod for precise work, I'll insert it into my drill and use a piece of sandpaper to sharpen its tip. A fine point will allow for concentrated heat. Once sharpened, I'll attach this customized carbon rod to the brass terminal block on our modified charger, securing it firmly with the tiny screws. With the remaining negative wire of the device, I will attach a black alligator clip to the other end of the wire to complete the negative terminal. For power, I'm using the battery from the electric drill. I'll connect the orange battery clamp, which is our positive terminal, to the positive terminal on the battery. Then I'll connect the black battery clamp, acting as our negative terminal, to the negative terminal of the battery. We're now ready to put our tool to the test. Observe the incredible power of this simple device. When I touched the carbon fiber rod to this alligator clip, it immediately glowed red, easily burning right through it. But it doesn't stop there. Watch as I apply it to 2 razor blades. The concentrated heat melts through the metal with surprising ease. This is truly remarkable. I've taken 2 small wires, stripped their ends, and twisted them together. Now, with a quick touch of our hot wire tool, you can see it acting like a miniature soldering iron, cleanly joining the wires. It's fantastic for quick electrical fixes. In our next project, I'm taking a standard LED light bulb. I plugged an LED light bulb into the socket and turned it on. But look, the light bulb isn't working even though I've tried turning it on and off multiple times. I'll carefully cut around its casing to remove the plastic diffuser. My goal is to salvage the internal LED circuit board for a brand new lighting solution. This component still has a lot of life left. I'll use a piece of tin wire and attach it to an alligator clip. I'll use a soldering iron to touch the tin wire and solder it to the location of the burnt-out light bulb. After I finish soldering, I will put the diffuser cover back on the light bulb and turn on the switch. The light bulb lit up instantly. From a simple charger and a discarded battery, we've created not one, but two powerful and useful tools. With a little creativity and some basic supplies, you can truly unlock the hidden potential in everyday items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me which of these projects you found most useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching.